In this video, I will show you how to import your data into Minitab. Minitab is software made for analyzing data, that is, applying statistical tools to the data. And Excel we will use for storing data and for simple data operations. We will work with both programs. Throughout the videos you will see these blocks. They show you where you can find the data that we are going to use. The Excel file with the data is called data files DA_LSS.xls, where DA stands for data analytics and LSS stands for Lean Six Sigma. In this Excel file you will find various worksheets, and for this video we will go to the worksheet Investigation Times. Now I will show you how to import this data into Minitab, and the data looks like this. This is the Excel file where you can find all the data sheets that we will need throughout these videos. And on the content page, which is the first page, you can find an overview. For each module, we have links to each respective data set, and in this case we're in data and Lean Six Sigma and we're interested in investigations times. If you click on it, you're automatically navigated to a different worksheet, in this case investigation times, where you find the respective data. You will find a description of the variables and then you will find the data. In this case we have case number, sender ID, type, total time, time open, time pending, time closed and number of iterations. If you want to copy this data into Minitab, all you need to do is select it and copy it. Selecting can easily be done with Ctrl and Shift, and you go to the right and you go to the bottom and you automatically have everything. Now you copy it, which is here, or Ctrl+C of course, and let's copy it into Minitab. I've already opened Minitab, and you go to the worksheet and you select the first cell. This is a gray cell, which is for the headers. So if you now paste the data, paste, you will get the headers of each column here and the first data values in row 1. Note that there's a difference between columns with a T and columns without a T. Without a T is numerical data and with a T is text data or categorical data. You will get different possible analysis methods for the different types of variables, so always check if these are correct. In summary, you can import your data by simply copy and pasting your data from Excel to Minitab. Always make sure that only categorical variables have a T on top of their column.